Welcome to this video demonstration of Kia's 360 parking camera. The car we're using is the Kia Optima GT line, which you can see in front of you now. Let's hop in and I'll show you exactly how the camera works. So the screen that everything is displayed on is this main screen just here. What we're going to do is pop the car into reverse firstly. So on the left hand side there, you'll see an image of what's behind us. We're parked in a bay at the moment, so there's some plants and what have you here. The yellow section and the red section are guidelines showing you what direction the car would be headed in relation to the image that you can see behind you. And when the image, or a wall or whatever it might be, the obstacle reaches this red line, that's the point at which the parking sensors will also tell you to stop. On the right hand side, you can actually see the bay that I am parked in. Really clever, really clear image. It will show you the perfect bird's eye view, so you can see the pavement on our left hand side, the lines for the bay that we're in. The plants that I was on about just here are shown in the bottom corner there. Down the bottom here, you can change it so that it's just rear view, and that rear corner, or rear view and the opposite corner. So really clever. You can customize it to show exactly what you want it to do at all times.